Practice book, page 177. Today we're talking about reality and fantasy. Do you know what reality is? It's something that could really happen. Something in life that really could happen. Fantasy, do you know what fantasy is? It's something that could not really happen. It's opposite of reality. So which one would happen in real life? Yes, reality would happen in real life. It could actually happen. Circle the sentences that show reality. Then underline the sentences that are fantasy. Number 1, a pig puts on a dress. Do you think that is reality or fantasy? Could it really happen? No, it's fantasy. Let's go ahead and underline our fantasy sentences. Number 2, a pig paints. Could that really happen? No, a pig won't paint. Let's go ahead and underline it for fantasy. Number 3, a pig sleeps. Could that happen in real life? Yes, a pig really does sleep. Let's go ahead and circle it for reality. Number 4, a pig goes to school. Do pigs go to school? No, they don't. So is that reality or fantasy? It's fantasy. Go ahead and underline it. Number 5, a pig has a pet cat. Do pigs have pet cats? No, they don't. So is that reality or fantasy? Fantasy. Go ahead and underline it. Number 6, a pig sits in the mud. Do pigs sit in the mud? Yes, they do. So is that reality or fantasy? Reality. Go ahead and circle that sentence. Go ahead and do 7 and 8 on your own, and then turn in your worksheet.